Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome to my new series, Road to Level 200, Part 1. This video, we're going to be getting player level 110, and there's no really, changes. Just Lucky Crate and Diamond Lucky Crate, so at the end, I'll be unboxing them and see what I get. Let's get started in the video. Okay, guys, we've loaded into our first match, and my teammate's Kameko. And we're facing a Barbarian and Miner. Okay, we're rushing them right now. And teammate got the bed. And someone disconnected. And we have won the first game. Let's check our XP games. Maybe 3 or 4 matches. Moving on to the next match. Okay, guys, loaded into the match, and my teammate is using Miner, and other team is using Xeno plus Easy. And they got TNT because, they got stoned. They got stoned because they're weird. Guys, teammate just disconnected. But I'm just gonna go for the bed break. And survive. Oh my god, that did not even do anything. That did not do anything. My TNT did not do anything. And I've gotten the bed. Wow. And I killed him. And he has armor. Wow. Okay. And I just knocked him into the void. GG's. Let's check our XP game. Okay. And we are 1 match away from level 110. Okay, guys, we just loaded in, and it seems like it's a 2v1. My team is using Triton, and opponent is using Electro. I'm just gonna rush him real quick. I've gotten his bed, and kind of stuck here. And my teammate has killed him. We have gotten player level 110. It just glitched right here. 110. Let's open the Lucky Crate and the Diamond Lucky Crate and see what I get. Alright, guys, we are back in the lobby, and let's open our Lucky Crates. First, the normal one. I'm just gonna let it choose by itself. And it has chosen 350 bed coins. Move on to the Diamond Lucky Crate. Now I'm gonna let it choose by itself again. And it has chosen 200 bed coins. So we just got worse than the normal Lucky Crate. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Please like and subscribe. The series is probably gonna take a long time, so yeah, peace.